Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products number 202 NDKB. This is a dark bronze anodized aluminum door sweep with a neoprene insert. So the 202N stands for this profile, a substantial aluminum extrusion along with a substantial piece of closed cell neoprene synthetic rubber. This material smells like a car tire shop, a tire shop when you walk in to a tire shop. That's what this material smells like. Incredibly dense and durable. Okay, the DKB stands for dark bronze anodized. This is available in both the clear anodized aluminum along with a gold anodized or brass anodized aluminum. So aluminum, brass, dark bronze, anodized aluminum base. This is a substantial door sweep. This is going to be something where you have, your client says, I need a heavy-duty door sweep. The door gets a lot of abuse. I need something that's going to last. This thickness of the neoprene is substantial. Okay. Or you've got an application, very common, where there are, it's a big box store, you've got a pair of doors out in the back, emergency exit, those doors are hardly ever opened, and you need something that's going to last and be substantial and not just simply degrade over a short amount of time with exposure to extreme temperature like typical Chicago weather. Let's get some dimensions. That's where you would use this. I'm hesitant to use heavy-duty sweeps like this only because they are they're quite inflexible when it comes to a door closer needing to seal them. So you're going to want to be real careful where you use this. This might prove a challenge for a typical door sweep because that's a big, thick piece of neoprene. Let me give you some dimensions. There's an image below this video showing everything important dimensionally about it, and certainly the dimensions are common. 1 1/16 for the extrusion. You got 5/8 for the neoprene. That's going to be 1 11/16 overall height. You're going to have a thickness of the item, about 5/16. That neoprene is a 1/4 inch alone, and it's the thickness of this material that really drives the cost. But if you're looking for something to be incredibly durable, this is a great option for you. Available in the site in several different lengths, along with those 3 finishes previously mentioned. This is, being that it's available in several different lengths, if you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is if you had to take this 48-inch piece and cut it down to, say, 42-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole. And the next one's all the way over here. Those slotted holes are awfully nice to have from the factory because they give you an ability to tailor this sweep, and especially with one that's so thick, it's crucial to be able to tailor that to a sill that may not be exactly level or a door that's not plumb, especially if you're trying to coordinate a door closer. Allowing the door to still close and latch and giving you protection at the sill. Also, that slotted hole helps compensate, and speaking of the slotted hole, screws are included in a complementary finish. That slotted hole helps compensate for a misdrilled hole. You know, when you're you're pre-drilling your holes in the door, whether it's fiberglass, aluminum, steel, wood, bronze, stainless, whatever you're putting it on. That drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit if you've not used a center punch, and it's crucial to be able to get that exactly where you need it. And if you're drilling just a round hole, that'd be a little bit tough. Now, speaking of that, it needs to be known the neoprene is shipped with just an adhesive that's on here. It's when you pierce through this with the screw is when you have proper mechanical connection between the aluminum extrusion, the screw, the neoprene, and the face of the door. When I do that, I get a couple of very small drill bits and I will pierce that through a little bit. Depending on the installation, I might take it a step further in terms of trying to augment its ability to seal the bottom of the door. I don't want to have any any trail of rust coming down later on as you pre-drill the hole. If it's a steel door, the wall of that steel, you're going to expose the actual steel itself. I might coat a little bit of that with silicone. I might do other things to help a permanent installation be better overall. Depends on the application. Sometimes that's not simply called for. So if you order a custom length, the point of all that is we'll not only place that slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. I'm partial to National Guard. It's because their customer service is spectacular. Their technical support, which I hardly ever need to call, not because I know everything, but because I never really even need to escalate it beyond customer service, is stellar. Shipping lead times are industry leading. Value per dollar is the same. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, by all means familiarize yourself with the National Guard product line. A link to their catalog can be gotten to by clicking on the link below this video to the manufacturer page and then to the product catalog. Any questions on the National Guard 202NDKB, neoprene and aluminum anodized door sweep in dark browns or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us.